Hi kids! How are you? Did you enjoy our last episode in the World of Matter? Wow! That's good to hear! Now, we are off for another day of fun, learning, and discovery. Of course, here in Bataan Science Channel. I am Teacher Bert, and yes, I'm back, and I'll be joining you again as we explore our new topic in the incredible world of Grade 6 Science. Are you excited? Yes, yes, yes! Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes! Before we begin, let us all sing and dance together to set us all in the mood for learning and to start this day right. Come on, let's do this together.
Let's go!
Wow! That was nice! In our last episode, you have learned the factors that affect solubility with Sir Alan. Let us watch this short video as a review of our previous lesson.
Factors that affect the solubility are: number 1, rate of stirring. The faster the stirring, the faster the solute dissolves in a solvent. Number 2, particle size. The smaller the solute particle, the faster it will dissolve in a solvent. Number 3, temperature. The hotter the solvent, the faster the solute will dissolve. Number 4, nature of solute. Regardless of temperature, The nature of solute affects how fast it will dissolve in a solvent.
There you go. Be sure to keep in mind all those concepts regarding solubility which Sir Alan has taught you. Today's episode is about solutions and their characteristics. To begin with, I want you to take note of the following questions. First, what is a solution? Second, what are the characteristics or properties of solutions? And last one, what are the types of solutions? Let me guess what you have in mind when you woke up this morning. Did you immediately think about the drink you will have for breakfast? Did you turn the stove on, boiled some water, poured it in a cup, and added either milk, chocolate, or coffee, and some sugar for a perfectly sweet blend? Aww. If you did that, then science is already in your system, even if you're just only starting your day. Why did I say so? It is because that milk, chocolate, and coffee you are drinking right now is already called a solution. What exactly is a solution? A solution is a homogeneous mixture composed of two or more substances. A homogeneous means it has same proportions of its components throughout any given sample. Like for instance, your favorite drink during breakfast. Its color and taste are the same everywhere in the cup, unless you did not stir it well or it became saturated because of too much sugar added, causing the bottom part of the solution to taste sweeter than the rest. A solution has two main components. One of these is called solute, or the substance dissolved in a given solution. In our example a while ago, sugar, milk, chocolate, and coffee powder are examples of a solute. This ability of a substance to dissolve when mixed with the other substance is called solubility. Another part of the solution is what we call the solvent, or the material that dissolves another substance. In our example again earlier, it was the hot water. A solvent is usually a liquid, but can also be a solid or a gas. What are the characteristics or properties of the solutions? First, a solution is homogeneous and composed of only one phase, just like what I have said earlier. Second, the particles of solute in a solution cannot be seen by the naked eye when dissolved. Let me give you another example. Let's have salt and water. When salt is dissolved in water, the two substances appeared as one. The salt particles can no longer be identified. However, the taste of the water proves that the salt was not loose after mixing. Its chemical property is retained,
and so the water tastes salty.
Third, beams of light do not scatter when hitting the solution particles.
There are other types of mixtures, such as colloids and suspensions, wherein their particles cause light to scatter when hit, and this is called Tyndall effect.
Aha! Another characteristic of solutions is that the solute cannot be separated from the solvent by filtration because their particles are too small. What are the types of solutions? There are 5 types of solutions, and all of these are homogeneous.
First one, solid in liquid.
In this solution, the solid substance dissolved in a liquid substance. Examples are sugar in water, salt in water, powdered juice in water, coffee and water, and many more.
Second type, liquid in liquid.
A liquid substance can also be dissolved in another liquid, and these two substances can be mixed thoroughly. Examples of these are alcohol in water, wine in water, concentrated fruit juice in water, liquid milk in water, and many more.
Third is gas in liquid.
Certain liquids contain gaseous substances.
Soft drinks appear as liquid, but they actually contain carbon dioxide gas. This can be observed when a bottle of soft drink is shaken or opened. Bubbles appear and gas is released.
Another good example of this is the oxygen present in water. Plants use them during the food making process. There's also oxygen in the blood, and this makes our cells function well.
Fourth one, gas in gas.
Air is a very good example of gas solution. It is a mixture of several gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and many more.
And the last one, solid in solid.
Still basically a solution of carbon atoms in a crystalline matrix of iron atoms. We also have alloys like bronze and others. Polymers containing plasticizers are also good examples of solid in solid solution. That's what we had to know about solutions. Now, let's go to the most exciting part of the lesson.
Experiment time! Today's activity is entitled Mix, Mix, Mix. And in this activity, we will be going to make and observe different solutions. These are the materials we need for this activity: alcohol, water, sugar, lemon juice, glass, and bottle of soft drink. Are you ready? Yes, yes, yes! But before we start, let's have the standards while doing the activity. Activity standards. Number 1, Follow the directions. Number 2, do the activity safely. Number 3, keep the activity place clean. And number 4, enjoy! Let's start the activity. Procedures. Number 1, in solution A, mix sugar and lemon juice in a glass of water. Then, leave it for a few minutes. Number 2, in solution B, mix the alcohol and water, then leave it for a few minutes. And number 3, in solution C, open a bottle of soft drink and observe it.
Let's go!
These are the results of our experiment. Let's answer these questions. Number 1, what phases of matter did you see in each solution? Number 2, describe the appearance of each solution. And number 3, what is the use of these solutions? Conclusion. In a solution, the two substances appeared as one, and you can no longer identify the substances you mix. Always remember the following characteristics of solutions. First, a solution is homogeneous and composed of only one phase. Number 2, the particles of a solute in a solution cannot be seen by the naked eye. Number 3, does not scatter beams of light. And last one, the solute does not separate from the solvent by filtration. Also, there are 5 types of solutions, namely solid in liquid, liquid in liquid, gas in liquid, gas in gas, and solid in solid.
Now, let us see how much you learned by answering the following questions.
Direction. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Do it in your science journal or notebook. Number 1. What type of mixture is a solution? A. Heterogeneous. B. Homogeneous. C. Immiscible. D. Miscible. Number 2, which of the following is not a characteristic of a solution? A. It is a uniform mixture. B. It will scatter a beam of light. C. It is stable over time. And letter D. The solute and solvent cannot be distinguished by the naked eye. Number 3, what is the substance that is being dissolved in a solution? A. Solute. B. Mixture. C. Solvent. And letter D. Concentrator. Number 4. What is the substance that dissolves the other substance in a solution? A. Solute. B. Mixture. C. Solvent. And letter D. Concentrator. Last number 5. In a salt water solution, what substance is considered the solvent? A. Salt. B. Water. C. Both are solvents. And letter D. Neither substance is a solvent.
Okay, let us check your answers. How was it? Did you answer it all correctly? Well, no doubt. For our next episode, I want you to have an advanced reading about colloids in their characteristics. And that's the end of our today's lesson. I hope you learned something new today. Have you already subscribed to our YouTube channel? If not yet, click subscribe below and tap the notification bell to automatically update you once there are new videos and episodes. And please, do not forget to like our videos and share with all your friends and playmates. Once again, I am Teacher Bern. See you all in our next episode. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye!